Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome PC. So first of all open Chrome. Now go ahead and type Chrome Web Store on the search bar. Now go on Chrome Web Store. After that you have to go on the search bar and type dark mode. Now go on this section, click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Now you have to click on this puzzle icon right over here on top right corner. Now click on it and pin this extension. Now let's see is it working or not. Okay, click on this extension. Okay, now it is working perfectly fine.